Good morning. No, I haven't had coffee. Yes, that is technically a medical emergency. Clocking at 9, already 6 calls. Somebody's bleeding somewhere down the halls. Printer says error, phone says line 2. My inbox says I've got 93 things to do. One wants aspirin, one wants advice. One says I slept 3 hours, is that alright? No babe, it's not, but neither did I. So sit on the bed while we both wonder why. I sterilize trays, I refill the kit. I sign 3 forms nobody will ever read. Then someone walks in, looking half dead, and says, don't worry, I'm fine instead. Everybody's fine, everybody's great. Everybody waited till 5 minutes before my break. It's a professional emergency. Somebody please explain this job to me. I'm nurse, therapist, secretary, part-time mother to the whole company. Professional emergency. My lunch is now a distant memory. Check your pulse, take a seat. And please stop bleeding on my paperwork, sweetie. Take a number, take a breath. No, caffeine does not replace rest. Take a number, wait your turn. Why does everybody smell slightly burned? Someone needs bandages after a show. Someone twisted something but they don't know. Someone drank nothing but energy drinks and looks genuinely shocked when their heartbeat skips. Another one asked if 4 beers count as proper hydration in the right amount. I stare for a second, professionally dead, then slowly slide the water bottle instead. The medicine cabinet somehow got raided. The appointment sheet has been misplaced. There's a sticky note stuck to my tail saying urgent with absolutely no detail. Everybody's dying until I say hospital. Then suddenly they're healthy. It's a fucking miracle. It's a professional emergency. Somebody please explain this job to me. I'm nurse, therapist, secretary, human well shark resource, apparently a professional emergency. I haven't sat since approximately 3. Check your pulse, take a seat. And stop Googling symptoms while you're talking to me. No, you cannot just walk it off. No, sleep is not optional. No, I don't have stronger painkillers. No, I will not write you a note saying vodka is medicinal. And yes, I know the first aid box is empty. I filled it yesterday. I don't wanna know. My coffee's cold, my shift ran late. I've heard quick question 28 times today. My braid's a mess, my patience too. But somehow I still kinda like this stupid crew. Because beneath the noise, the forms, the bruises and alarms, they actually trust me to keep them out of harm. And maybe that's enough to make the madness worth it, even when this workplace is objectively cursed. It's a professional emergency. Welcome to my daily reality. Nurse, therapist, secretary, walking medical liability, referee, professional emergency. Somehow this place still feels right to me. Check your pulse, take a seat. Yes, I complain, but I'm still here next week. Clock out at 9, phone finally dead. I crawl back home and collapse into bed. Then one notification lights up the screen. Quick medical question. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.